हे गाइस, वेलकम एट न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पढ़ाई में। आ चुके हैं 5th स्टैंडर्ड के इंग्लिश के साथ। आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है द 12 मंथ्स। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन वन सेंटेंस। व्हाई डिड Marculus stepmother hate her? Marculus stepmother hated her because Marculus was prettier than her own daughter Hoela. In which season does the story take place? The story takes in winter season. Does Marukula get any of the things she brings? Marukula doesn't get any of the things she brings. All of them are taken away by her stepsister Holana. Why is the great January annoyed with Holana and her mother? Does he helped them? Holana and her mother are not humble and polite like Marukula. They spare no effort to trouble Marukula. They do not ask for permission to approach the 12 months, and they also insult the great January. That is why he does not help them but cause them to death. Fifth, who were the 12 men sitting around the fire? The 12 men sitting around the fire were the 12 months of the year. Name the things Marukula got for her stepsister. Marukula got for her stepsister a bunch of violins, an April full of strawberries, a couple of red apples. Second, who said the following words to whom? It is impossible to find violets in the stone. Marukula said to her stepsister Hola, please, kind sir, let me warm my hands at the fire. Marukula said this to 12 months headed by the January. This is no time to be looking forward. The great January said this to Marukula, shake the tree at once. September said these words to Marukula, why do you want to know, you old fool? Hola challenged the great January by saying these words. Describe the following with the help of the story. Answer. Springtime. Springtime comes just after the winter. During the month of March, the snow begins to melt, the trees begin to burn, all the ground is covered with grass and flower to bloom. Mother Nature is lush green and birds sing merrily. Summer comes just after springtime, when it starts getting hotter and hotter. There is also a lot of greenery and birds do sing as summer gets in. Nature will be in full bloom before it starts to wither in growing heat of the sun. Third, winter. Winter is the coldest of the seasons. When the sun turns his face away from the sun, there are no flowers, no singing of birds. Trees sit there under the leaves. Mother Nature, all of her offsprings go for a deep sleep covered under the snow. Grammar. Pick up nouns and proper nouns. Pick up 5 common nouns from the lesson and write down them. Answer. Country, mother, daughter, child, month. Second, pick up 5 nouns from the lesson and write them here. मारुकोला, होला, जनवरी, मार्च, जून। आज के लिए बस मैं यहाँ हूँ। आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, और तब तक के लिए गुड।